I'm Kevin Cameron, technical editor of Cycle World magazine, and I've often heard from old-timers that they wish they could rip all the electronics off their new bike and have carburetors and take control of their destiny. Well, I'm not sure that carburetors are that simple. Here is the venerable Mikuni VM carburetor. This is its float bowl. Fuel comes in over here, fills up the bowl. Like the toilet tank filling up, these floats rise. They press up on this float valve. You bend these arms in order to change the float level. Let's see, we're racing at Austin. That one turn that's really pretty bumpy, we're going to lower the float level a little bit, because if it overflows, we got a problem. All right, so we want to make our bike pull well off the bottom. We might have to change the idle jet. They have little tiny numbers on them. If you're my age, bring a magnifier. To set the idle air mixture, you turn this screw. To determine how the engine comes on throttle once it leaves the idle system, the front of the throttle slide, called the cutaway, may be higher, which is leaner, or lower, which is richer. I had boxes of the things, all the different cutaways, in order to tune the carburetor. Then, in the mid-range, mid-throttle range, this tapered needle moved with the slide, fit through a hole in the center, fitted into an orifice. As the slide lifted, the taper became smaller. There are 50 or 100 different combinations of tapers and diameters. I have another box that's filled with needle jets, all different sizes, 0.4 of a thousandth difference between them. Then, on top end, throttle wide open, the main jet tells whether or not your engine will sing that high, sweet song or not. If you want to tune with carburetors, you need all these boxes full of parts, slides, needles, needle jets, main jets, and you need to know how to play this particular organ. On the other hand, we can set this material aside, substitute fuel injection. These 4 orange jobs are the electrical connectors that connect the wire harness to the fuel injectors. The fuel injector doesn't have any tapers, it doesn't have any little numbers on it. It's just a valve. It's either open or it's closed. The computer on the engine tells it how long to stay open. When you want to change the fuel mixture on a fuel-injected race bike, the laptop is the tool. Plug in the cable, download from the bike the mixture curve, talk to the rider. I want to lean it out just a little bit right here. A few keystrokes, relief is on the way. They're just 2 different ways of accomplishing the same thing. Neither of them has a moral value. Anyone can learn the new way if he tries. I suspect I could learn it. You could learn it.